Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a sitemap for your Google Blogger website. So this is the front end of my website. I generated it with Google Blogger, created it with Google Blogger. So I have a tutorial incoming on a full course on how to generate or create a fully functioning website with Google Blogger. So you can see here, this is the front end and this is the back end. You can see, let me tap on this for you to view it. So now let's get to the procedure on how you can generate a sitemap for your Google Blogger website. So on here, let's copy the link of our website here. Copy. Now let's move to this website. Check the URL. This is labnol.org Blogger sitemap. So I think if you are doing web development or website development, I think you should know about URLs. So just grab this URL and you can search this Blogger sitemap generator. Good. Search this and you take this website. I think this is the best of them, so you can submit this on Google Console as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that too in this video. So now let's get going. So now let me paste my website here. Let me generate it. Good. So now you can see my sitemap here. You can copy all this and paste it in the back end of your website, but then I'll be posting it on my Google Search Console rather. So now I copy it and then I come to my sitemap. You can see this is the website here. Come to the sitemap and then I paste it here like this and I submit it and I'm done. So that's how you create a sitemap for a Google Blogger website. So that's it for the video. So sitemap is very important. You should be submitting sitemap anytime you update any content or you upload an article on your website. So just like I said, I have a tutorial on how to create a fully functioning website for everything using Google Blogger. So do all to like and then subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming updates. So I'm done for now. Peace.